This is why you get the DeFi. These are the DeFi projects that you get in, the ones that give you your return back at least within the first 30 days. But man, this is gonna be nice. But anyway, this is something else. This is baked beans. If you don't know what baked beans is, this is the calculator for baked beans. Look at my other videos on baked beans, but this is not what this video is about. This video is about cooked rice. Cooked rice. This is the crypto machine. Johnny Diamond Hands talking to you today about this cooked rice. Cooked rice. This is on the Avax network. They already have 3,929 Avax in this account. When you go over to Snow Trace, it shows you right here, 330 grand. So $330,000 already here in this in Avax in this contract. Here's their what they call the rice paper. The rice paper. Tasty rice served on Avax. So hey, they're gonna give you between 5 and 8% daily. The dev is gonna get a 3% fee. You can get a 12% referral bonus by whoever uses your referral link to join up, and my referral link will be in the video description. They talk about they ask questions like, can I get my initial money, Avax, whatever back? And they said no, because it's locked in the rewards pool. But you can get it back over time through your rewards. So they're going to give you your rewards right here in Avax, a daily percent up to 8% every single day. And you can get a 12% Avax, the Avax, anybody uses your referral link. So you can combine those together, do the math on that, But you can get your return. Talked about the first 1,000 players in here get their ROI in 20 days. The next 500 people to get in, they can get their ROI in 30 days, so on and so forth. They have 1,000 members, 1,000 plus members in the Telegram, and they have over 1,300 plus followers in their Twitter. So this is let's see how many do they have, how many contracts are in here. No, let me see how many. See if it shows you. I don't know if it shows you how many people are in this particular contract, but it shows you how much they have. It shows you on Snow Trace what it was. You can get in here. This is degen, you know what I'm saying? This is stuff that is high risk. I consider this high risk because you don't know, even though the devs are taking their cut, you don't know what's gonna happen with this. But this is fairly new. Hasn't been out that long. They have a Discord down here. You can jump into their Discord or their Telegram and talk to them if you want to. But that's it. I'm gonna jump in this once I get going on my baked beans. Fairly decent on that one. I'll probably take a little bit of the rewards and throw it over into cooked rice since this is newer. Anyway, like, comment, subscribe on the video. Subscribe, comment, like, share, talk about it. Do whatever you gotta do. Peace.